Hey guys, and welcome to Travelinaday. Today we're going to show you what is in our camera bag. To start things off, we've got a Lower Pro Tahoe BP 150. It's got plenty of pockets, plenty of places to put water, or hold a tripod, whichever you desire. Nice little buckles on the side. Open it right up. It's got a few, as you will see. Dividers in it. Comes with another zipper to place loose items, which is what we use it for. To begin, we always have a DJI Mavic Air. Fits still in its nice little pouch it comes with the Fly More kit. Fits right in there, snug. As you can see, I always have roughly 3 or 4 batteries, always charged, ready to go. For that, we've paired it with a PG Wide-Tech ND filter. Very nice to match its frame per second while we're filming out in sunny days. Another item we carry from DJI will be the DJI Osmo Pocket. Great tool, great device. It's got a gimbal on it, shoots 4K. It's gone everywhere. It's filmed our Chicago video. Love this thing. Highly recommend it to anyone who's thinking about a camera. With the DJI, we've also paired it with the PJ Wide-Tech ND filters. Very great tools to have. You must have. Always recommend it. For the PG Wide-Tech, in order to film all day, film long time lapses, we carry an Anker 22000 with us. It's filmed roughly 3-4 hours of time lapses, hyperlapses. We use it to charge all our cell phones. Charges the DJI Mavic Air remote control without a problem. Lasts good 2-3 days. For the Osmo Pocket, we also have the PG Wide-Tech phone mount with the adapter for the Osmo Pocket. It also turns into a tripod. Great for vlogging. Use it a lot as well. When you're in a hotel room on an airplane, if you got a window seat, you must have a GoPro suction cup mount, either to mount the Osmo Pocket or the GoPro. Great tool as well. It fits right there. We've got our trusty Hero 3 Plus. This thing is about 5 years old now. Has lasted and will always continue to last, it seems. It's durable, bulletproof little tool. Fits there. We've paired it with the 2 battery charger from GoPro itself. Handy tool. It's also able to get charged by the Anker external battery pack. In this cubby hole here, we always carry cables. Here's a USB-C to USB 3.0, micro USB to USB 3.0. Also for the DJI Osmo Pocket, very important to have the wireless adapter. Great tool since it's kind of finicky when you're trying to connect it to the cell phone. I've had issues with it with the Apple phone, 8 Plus, 7 Plus, and the 11 Pro. Doesn't have a stable connection, so for us this is a must-have. As well as the control wheel. Very cool tool, so you're not messing around with the little screen. Great addition to the kit. The remote control for the Mavic Air is here as well. Fits there. Once we close it, on the outer pockets I put some other tools that we don't use all the time, but still have place for them. Always have our USBs. You never know when you're gonna fill up. Put them there. Extra propellers for the Mavic Air. I have yet to damage any of them, but you never know what can happen, so those will go there. Our Samsung portable SSD, 1 terabyte. Love this thing. It holds tons of memories, doesn't get hot, has gone everywhere with us. We've also got a Mercury tripod from Best Buy. This thing was $15-20. It holds my Sony Rx 100 Mark III. Has done the job for us everywhere we've gone. No complaints with it so far. Interchangeable head so you can mount a GoPro or a camera as well. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.